Here we are at SC25 in St. Louis. This show we've chosen to do our technical preview of our new product, Fusion NFS. Fusion NFS builds on the foundational core of our Fusion SMB product, the world's most advanced SMB server for Linux. With features such as RDMA, SMB compression, quick, scale-out, persistent handles, rolling upgrades, containers, clusters, virtual machines, and cloud. A really enterprise SMB server. We've been asked many times why we're not doing NFS. We are. Fusion NFS builds on that foundation and has the same sort of features. It's an interesting story to tell because in some environments, such as MLPerf, Fusion SMB is twice as fast as NFSD. What we're planning to do, and what we are doing, is we've now got Fusion NFS, where we have NSD performance in user mode. So watch what we're doing with this product. It's really exciting. The reception has been phenomenal and a lot of interest. Have a look at our website, tuxera.com, and keep an eye out for our press releases and news about our product. If you'd like to be considered as a premium tester and a priority tester for the new NFS, get in touch.